Hi everyone, wanted to give you a virtual site visit for Sunday, October the 7th. As you can tell, we're here at the Pumphouse hillslope. Drill rig there in the background. This is all part of our deep drilling effort here. We're midway between PLM1 and PLM2. We're currently at a depth of 210 feet below ground surface. We're trying to get to between 230 and 240, with the idea being we really have not had the ability to try and sample either hydrologically or geochemically what may be very deep flow lines emanating from recharge on the hill slope behind me. And so this will be our first effort here at this hill slope, perhaps our last in terms of deep well drilling, to really interrogate the deepest part of the profile. So what you're looking at here is fresh core that just came up. These are our drillers from Authentic Drilling. They also, not these specific drillers, but this company has been really an important part of the project so far, drilling both holes up in the Redwell Basin. Pretty consistent looking core from what we've been seeing for the past 2 to 3 flights. Highly competent. If you look carefully here, you can see kind of a high angle fracture, typical sort of little fracture zone. For the most part, nice, good recovery. We do see frequently these discrete low-angle fracture zones that are largely clay-filled. So of course, during the process of drilling, pouring, and removal, the clays that are infilling those fracture zones now find themselves smeared on the outside of the core. So anyway, we've really battled with weather for the past 2 to 3 days. Many of you know the access road to the pump house can be really difficult, challenging when it's wet, and it has been. Fortunately, this LBL-owned off-road vehicle has really proved a godsend, getting us and equipment up and down when the road has been in bad shape. Anyhow, we're probably about an hour from getting to our target depth, at which point we'll be making decisions regarding the well completion strategy and whether or not we'll leave this open to enable a wire line. Logging that's planned for next week. There's always been a risk in leaving a hole open, of course. We may see some hole collapse and at that point not be able to complete to the full depth. Anyhow, finally being blessed by a beautiful Sunday here in Crested Butte in the East River Valley. One last thing to point out, the cows are gone. Well, they're not quite gone. They're just over the fence line. The cattle drive came through in earnest 2 days ago. All of our Pumphouse hillslope infrastructure generally survived, with the exception of 1 or 2 little calves that were startled into the enclosures. They didn't last long. Everything worked well. Great day here, finally.